Okay, techies, here's a topic. Let's talk about English. Now, English obviously is the universal language, and no matter which country you're working in or who you're working for, uh, it's a prerequisite that you can speak English really, you understand English, you can communicate effectively. The reason why this is important in a technical capacity is when you're engaged in conversation, then at work, to do with technology, then you need to be able to often gather requirements. So if somebody is asking you to do something, then you need to understand what they've said. Or if you're explaining something, then you need to effectively ensure that what you're explaining is correctly understood. Now, I've been in situations many times within the corporate environment working on projects where there's been a language barrier, okay? And this has come down to the language and nuances in different cultures, yeah. So the meaning is lost, there's misinterpretation, and projects and activities get delayed as a result. So English is an absolutely mandatory skill prerequisite needed to work effectively and deliver. And when you do that, obviously you can progress your career as well. So I've seen this through personal experience that if it's not addressed, then it can cause basically financial losses. Projects are delayed, and when projects are delayed, money is lost. So how can you improve your English? Well, there's many ways you can do that. Firstly, you can expose yourself, if you can, around people who can communicate effectively. You should be able to identify if somebody's speaking correctly or not by their accent, who they're working for, what level they're at. The second thing you can do is read. And when you read, you need to read out loud so that you can hear yourself back. Okay, that's the second thing you can do. And you can research what the benefits of reading out loud to yourself are. The third thing you can do to improve your English is listen to radio, and I'm talking about English radio. Now, I can recommend to you a radio station that you should listen to, and I'm going to do that right now. It's BBC Radio 4, and it's the morning program, and I think there's a program called The Drive, or it's called Today program, which is in the afternoon. UK hours, this is, yeah, GMT. And the third thing you can do is read about world affairs broadsheet newspapers online. And I'll give you another example. It's The Guardian from the UK. If you read The Guardian, you can come across some really good writing, and you should take some time out every day to do this. If you listen to this advice, you'll find that your English is improving over time, and you need to, and if your English is not up to par and you find that you're not really understood, then it needs to be addressed, okay, if you want to do something about that. So I'm telling you now how to do it. So please address this if it's a concern, and hopefully you'll see the progress yourself, and it will improve your prospects, it will improve your earnings potential, all being well, and help you move forward in your career. Take care until next time. Hope this subject was a good one for you. Until next time, goodbye.